Again, it's Mitch Allen, weekend.me, on Facebook, video blog, just saying. This is another prime example of how this glyphosate is getting into our water. Here's storm water on the street, flowing down the curb that has been sprayed with glyphosate, going right into a storm drain. And I have this strange feeling this particular storm drain drains over to what we know as Horse Creek, and it's an impaired waterway. Well, I wonder how it got impaired. But here's the proof that they've been spraying. You can see the dead strip. Now, prior to them spraying, this was all grass, even the green weeds that are back there. This was sprayed a number of weeks ago, and what grew back was weeds. And they're known nowadays as super weeds. And they spray off the grass to kill it because they're too lazy to mow it, or won't pay the people to mow it. And then it creates super weeds. Well, I think we all know weeds grow faster than grass. So you're actually going to either have to spray it more often or mow it more often. And you can see the deadness all back there. The weeds grew back in spotty, but there's no more grass. It's all weeds. And weeds are just an undesirable plant. They actually have a purpose. You know, our pollinators live and thrive off the flowers that bloom. I realize they're not all that pretty, but there is a purpose why they're here. And this chemical treatment of stuff doesn't keep it down. We need to mow it, weed eat it. We need to go old school on it, and that's the proper way to do things. Because when you kill off the grass, what comes back is weeds. And weeds grow a whole lot faster than grass, so it just creates more maintenance for yourself. You think it's cost effective? Yeah, it is. It's going to cost more and more and more, and it has a huge effect on our health, our children's health, and I promise you, it is part of the problem with people killing people and all the craziness that's going on. Here's a whole other area that they keep spraying this stuff on, killing it off, only for it to grow back. My point, it doesn't work. It's not the solution. It's not the fix to anything. You keep throwing money at it, spraying chemicals, instead of properly maintaining it. And I promise you, if you read the Florida Friendly Landscape Law, it states in there, chemical use should be the last resort. And these death sprays go on forever. Thanks again for listening. Please join us. Let's band together and stop the use of the chemical sprays.